Yeah. Y'all know who Little Rascal is? This is Santiago Luna in the house. He's gonna drop some shit with y'all, man. We're gonna kill it real quick, man. So we hope y'all enjoy this one. And yeah, as soon as we can get Lala, she gonna be up with us after this song. She's gonna go pick you up right over there. Same place, Marla. Same place, girl. I got them coming for you right now. If we can, there they are, look. There they are, girl. Go get on them. Here we go, man. Yeah.
What's up?
Oh, hey, wait for Marla. Yeah.
Yeah, these motherfuckers.
Yeah, you ready, Little Rascal? Let's do this, man. Come on.
This is 505 race of one. Everybody in the group, let me see you throw them off. My boys in the group, let me see you throw them off. Little because in the group, raise them off.
Raise them up, yeah.
Everybody in the group, let me see you throw them off. My boys in the group, let me see you throw them off.
Yeah. It's just the way it is. It's been this way since kids. I don't really want this life no more. Lord, give me what I got in store. I keep pursuing this life, and keep pursuing it right. And now I see where I gotta go, and I know it ain't here, but the way it is, it's been this way since kids. And I don't really want this life no more. Lord, give me what I got in store. I keep pursuing this life, keep on doing it right. So I see where I gotta go, and I know it ain't. I'ma give you something you never heard. A little bit different, but in better words. The rhyme gets better with every verse. This is for the people who never heard the best of all the people who were dead in the earth. Put my people first before they dead in the hurt. People of the people instead of a curse. People pull them instead it gets worse. Like I said to the nurse, help me out, I'm dying. I'm trying to be true, ain't no use in trying. Praying to the Lord to give me peace and confinement. Saying to my source, you can see I ain't lying. They can take this my bill every day of my life. Yeah, they can only say what it's like. Getting tired of seeing the light, not knowing if I'm gonna be leading this life. I wish someone could see through my eyes so they can tell me what I'm seeing is right. Or if someone's playing tricks on my mind, nobody knows. There's too many cents in the dime. This world is a bitch, and I hope this bitch is mine. Oh, it's just the way it is. It's been this way since kids. I don't really want this life no more. Lord, give me what I got in store. I keep pursuing this life. I keep on doing it right. Now I see where I gotta go, and I know it ain't here. That's the way it is. It's been this way since kids. I don't really want this life no more. Lord, give me what I got in store. I keep pursuing this life, and I keep on doing it right. And now I see where I gotta go, and I know it ain't here.
Let me see you throw them off. In the group, let me see you throw them off. In the group, raise them off.
It's me and Rascals on the track now.
I was born from the start, I was born in the dark. I'm the knight to that blood as that motherfucker sparks. I'm the blood in my lungs, I'm the tats on their arms. I'm the gate that they bomb free and on. Most of my boys, they was grown on their own. Daddy was gone, so we left all alone. Got my paper on my own, and my hustle on my own. And my coco corazón to my boys getting home. The shit that I pushed, it was all for the fatty. Homies in the guitar in the hood doing daddy. Walks words, 12 gauge, feed laws, razor blades. If you act brave, that's when we break your leg. Me and my battling down from the start. Packing all these honeys, party at the park.
Party barbecues till boogie got dark. Till boogie got dark. It's just the way it is. It's been this way since kids. And I don't really want this life no more. So give me what I got in store. And I keep pursuing this right. Till I see where I gotta go. And I know it ain't everybody in the group. Let me see you throw them off.
My boys in the group,
Let me see you throw 'em all.
Little Rick in the dude, praise them all.
And throw 'em all.
In the dude, let me see you throw 'em all. My boys in the dude, let me see you throw 'em all. Praise them all.
David Duncan's in the club, throw 'em all. Yeah. All right. Man. Give it up for Mr. Santiago Luna in the house. Now we're gonna do some shit that you guys ain't even ready for, man. But we're gonna break out the old school Truz-N-Thugz on your ass. And we need Miss Lala Lopez, and I need my boy Mr. Blamo, Mr. Whiskey Please, to come back up here to the stage so we can drop this shit, man. Oh, give us some. Oh, we have a 50-50 raffle going on over there at the gate. If you guys want to pay $1 for a raffle, little big man, he's rolling around in his cart over here. He's taking $1 for a raffle, and it's 50-50. You win 50% of what's in the case. So there's a lot of money in there already, man. So you guys got a chance to win that dough. So definitely do so. Yes, we're gonna switch off somehow wherever we want to.
While he looks for another microphone, I think we need to give context to this song, because if you guys don't know, we used to belong to like one of the biggest record labels in Albuquerque, New Mexico, Rip 'em Up Productions, and so this is how I know these wonderful guys, these talented people. And so this song came out in 1999?
99.
1999.
99.
That's nuts, but I'm so happy
Way
to see
ahead
that
of its
they're
time.
still doing their thing, as are we. So I'm so happy to be here and just kind of...
And Marla just fucking destroyed this song, so we're just happy to be able to perform this shit.
We haven't
Man.
performed it since 99, so
We
if I
haven't even
forgot
performed
it,
this
I
since
don't know.
99, exactly. So this is awesome shit right here.
Yeah.
Man, this is one of our best songs. I'm so happy to do this shit. Y'all, enjoy yourselves, man, and check this shit out. Y'all better get your babies, man. It's all good. So, this song's so dope it makes the babies cry. That's the way we do this shit.
Whole time, even as a hustler, I'm a bigger back in the game of a hustler. Just winning the others, surviving, moving the others, instead of popping the ball, and everything I'm fucking dead, get back in the way. And then the barrier, the rich, and the richness, with the second in the ditch, I'm taking it back to stand. Can't spend it, you'll be locked down, straight behind. Shoot up for the game, and I see my homie getting pistol out, but I'm riding in the heat of the line. Knowing you're my mind, the blast, the ride, but I'm with the bitch ride. Everybody running, burning, everybody with me. 2G within me. See the heart and throat and keep on your promise, so they're picking the body, now in the hand, but you're single, evil, and it's never seen with the lean, so now they even my other road. The devil's all screaming back, they hope they're in town, the road. Got shots, stretch, shit, pistol blue. Now they gonna hit to the shop to the angle round. And within the blow, giving money on home, I'm gonna be safe. I'm right with the devil, cutting me home, making me do to my right. Slaking the kind, making me look and stay. Breaking the heart, saving the sound souls. Hit the season, roll the black rose. Mark the die, and star, watch it grow.
What do you do when you know life that's a goal? When somebody see you and you need an early dream. Many lessons will it take to show you how many more lives must be sacrificed? What do you do when you know life that's a goal? When somebody see you when you need an early dream. Will it take to show you?
Me and my dogs, I got my homeboys in the hood, ready to break the fools off. I pick it up on the phone, I hit it a Saturday, bitch, just calling up the homies, come on, come get with it. Check it out now, I run it up with the game, open the bottles in the face, shooting the bitches in the legs, I put them all in the grave, you know what I'm saying? So don't fuck around with us, it's the only bottles from the south, just ready to bump. It's 505, who is the land of the tramping where most motherfuckers can't even handle it. All of my true dogs, they from that 1-3 goals, the 14 making lots of green, they coming up like a killer king. Straight up dash, dash if you racing fast. Cause I beat the greatest little muscles from the hands. I run in the slug up to your chest. So your fingers fuck the rest.
What do you do in the light that's so cold? When somebody see you, you need a little thing. Baby, listen, well, it take to show you how many lives was these at the bar. What do you do in the light that's so cold? When somebody see you, you need a little thing. Baby, listen, well, it take to show you how many shit hold you. Still down. Still brown and brown, still down and clown. From 1999 to 2000, points go around, cause I get a new sound and it's boundless. Can't give you a little touch, can't play. You get played, don't get caught up in the cascade. You'll know you only got one chance in the life of a phony boot that never broke the rules. Who's approaching the last day? I try to beat you in the back way. I put a thing when the day you did the best break. Instead of letting that break, you never know you might get shot up in the chest. But I strive, never to die. Got too much pride, trapped in my mind. A young thug coming up, with no reason to stop getting high. And I live life for the worst. In 1995, I see my dog in a hearse. Now tell me when you see the enemy, when you said the lead, brother, yes first. No, I didn't think you would. I'd stop and beat you good. And come to get out your hand and stick it in your ass. Yeah, you know how we do it. Ain't nothing to it, but the shoes in the dust. Blowing up that set, never forget. You drama shit, don't blame me. That's when I'm racy, stay free from the violence. But you say me, then I'm leaving your silence. Breaking them off with the Glock when I pop, they rock and I'm watching them dying. What do you do in the light that's so low? When somebody say you need a little thing. Baby, listen, but we think to show you how many lives must be sacrificed. Don't think you do in the light that's so low. When somebody say you need a little thing. Baby, listen, but we think to show you how many more lives must be sacrificed.
Taking the time to talk on my doubts, trying hard to stop the violence. It's a race to the top of the charts, so me and my dog keep fucking climbing. Giving us props cause we just dropped the dope and shit, don't try it. Breaking up, touching my blood, paranoia, you this fuck is I am. Sticking them hard in the heart with the sharpest part till they just start crying. Taking a walk in the box like two buckshots like Private Ryan. Breaking them heart, can't stop this feeling inside, but I'm still trying. Breaking them off with a Glock when I pop, they rhyme, I'm watching them dying.
All right. Yeah. Some Truz-N-Thugz in this motherfucker.
1999.
99 to 2023. Thank you so
much love.
Whiskey Please in the house. Give it up, Mr. Blamo. Whiskey Please, killing that shit. We got Santiago Luna. And of course, the one and only La Lopez. Hang out and sit tight because we got Boot Get Soul coming up next, man. Y'all relax and enjoy yourselves. And we will bring them up shortly. Yeah.